Okay, one more temple walkthrough here. So this is going out the first exit, first entrance I found to this temple, which is actually it was fairly easy to traverse. One of my feet did get a little wet, but perhaps there is a drier way. Okay. Gotta get that little stream over there. See, this blackberry's got me. It's a very strong blackberry. Won't be able to harvest it later, potentially. Okay, so what do you deem to be the most appropriate pathway? See that rock there has a high risk, high gain kind of. This one over here, this one is oh yeah. Stable. Okay, see the siren there? And that's where it's stable from. Alright, now we got to the easy area. And we'll just go here. This Terrafix sign. I don't know what the hell they think they were fixing, but maybe it looks pretty good. Decent. So far. Or maybe they were adding trees here. Some diversity, but I would prefer more edible plants, personally. Edible species would be beneficial. There's some carrots here. I see many wild endemic species. These usual. Some of these, yeah. A lot of grasses. Oh yeah. So something.